Good morning, class. This is Miss Champagne, and today I'm going to teach you how to solve an equation versus an inequality. And as you can see here, our first problem is an inequality. An inequality has a less than or a greater than sign. And we know that this is a less than sign because it is shaped like the letter L. It's just folded in a little slightly. So this is your less than symbol. So that means this one pointing in the opposite direction is your greater than. So just remember that if it looks like it's shaped like the letter L, then it's less than. So this is your greater than symbol. Okay, I'm going to rewrite this problem right here on this side. So we have negative 7 parentheses 1 plus 5m parentheses minus 29 is less than, because it's shaped like a L, 300 plus 7m. And our whole purpose is to solve for m or get m by itself. On this side of the paper, I'm going to write the steps. So first and foremost, the whole purpose is to get the letter, which we call a variable, by itself on the left side. That means that we want to have m is equal to a number, or we want to have m is less than a number, or we want to have m is greater than a number. That's just standard. Okay, so let's go to this, back to this side. We are going to use PEMDAS. Okay, P-E-M-D-A-S. Some people call it PEMDAS, but this is how we would solve this equation, what we would look for first. So the first is parentheses. That's what the P stands for. Parentheses. The E stands for exponents. The M stands for multiply. Then divide. Or with this, we can divide first, then multiply. Whichever one comes first is what we do first with these two. But parentheses always comes before everything else. Exponents always comes before everything else. And then the A stands for add, then subtract. Or we will subtract first and then add. Whichever one of these two also comes first. But multiply, divide always comes before add, subtract. So the second thing that we're going to do, the first thing is that we noted that the whole purpose is first to get the m on this side and then get a number by itself on this side. Second, and following PEMDAS, we are going to look inside parentheses first. So parentheses, I'm going to put look inside, then outside. So I'm going to go over here to my second step. So it's for parentheses. We're going to look inside to see if we can add or subtract like terms. And a term means a number. So we're going to look inside the parentheses first. to see if we see anything that's alike. This is a number 1. This is a 5 plus an M. This does not have a variable. This does have the variable or letter M. That means that they are not alike. That means that we cannot combine them because they're not alike.